लेग बिफोर की अपील होगी, ये अंपायर संतुष्ट नहीं और रेफरल खयूम बताना पड़ेगा अवेलेबल नहीं है.
Absolutely, he's asking for the referral which we don't have. Absolutely.
बट सुनील,
खयूम
हमारे पास बेनिफिट ऑफ द रिप्ले तो है.
वो तो है रमन. Absolutely, Khayum was on spot on. One more wicket would have gone if umpire would have seen from a different angle.
बच गए शांतनु, और अब यहां से जो भी रन्स बनाते हैं वो बोनस है.
बोनस तो है ही ये.
5 पूरी तरह से तहस नहस चेन्नई राइनोज की इनिंग्स. गुड शॉट, खाता खोलेंगे अब्दुल्ला. बेहतरीन फील्डिंग कैप्टन अकील की. चीयर सुन सकते हैं आप क्राउड से, क्योंकि कैप्टन 100% कमिटमेंट दिखाते हुए.
Absolutely brilliant effort from captain Akhil on the boundary line. Great effort, saving 2 runs for his team, and a big cheer for him, local boy.
क्या बात. You've got to realize that, you know, these are cine stars, not professional cricketers who've taken the field, but they're giving 100%. And I think putting in a sterling performance.
Absolutely, Raman. It's very important for Rhinos to put more score. It's nearly we're getting the 6th over. There's hardly any score on the board. It's very important for them, especially Abdullah, to strike a few lusty blows.
Khayum, here he comes for the 5th delivery of the over. That's again terrific stuff at the boundary rope at long on. Terrific fielding. They're prowling the boundary like warriors here, the Telugu team.
Absolutely, captain showing the first, setting an example for that. And one more. Another 2 runs saved for the team. That's the one. Brilliant effort. Absolutely, great effort. All these stars showing that they know muck with the fielding as well.
Full toss. Is that going to be called a no ball? No. Dot ball to end the over. 6 overs gone. It's 25 for 5.
Thanks a lot, Raman. So Telugu Warriors, a very strong unit led by Akhil. There are Sachin Joshi at the top as well. Ashwin, very capable batsman. Harish, the wicketkeeper. Qayyum, Prince, and tonight Rhinos. Ramana, the wicketkeeper. Sham as well, the captain. A few change the lineup for them. And Telugu Warriors win the toss and choosing to bowl first. So this is what happened.
You look at that batting card for the Chennai Rhinos, and the top 4 are even getting into double digits. It looks more like a telephone number with an international code ahead of it. Sachin Joshi's back for his second over. His first over cost just 8. He picked up 2 wickets. And there could be one more here. Oh, just over. Lucky, streaky boundary for Shantanu.
Absolutely, Raman. Sachin has showed his Josh. Josh दिखा रहे हैं. पहली ओवर
मेरे
में
साथ कमेंट्री बॉक्स में भी एक जोशी तभी रंग जमा रहे हैं.
जोशी को तो सपोर्ट चाहिए. जोश दिखा रहे. 2 विकेट निकाले थे पहली ओवर में, और इस बॉल पे भी ऑलमोस्ट विकेट मिलने वाले थे, मगर जस्ट चूका. फील्डर ने would have taken a great catch. Would have been a great catch.
ये तो बोनस रन है शांतनु के लिए. डाउन द ग्राउंड. सेफ बात ये थी कि बिल्कुल सीधा खेला था. और पिछला ओवर क्या जबरदस्त रहा था एसजे का. सचिन जोशी 2 विकेट पिछले ओवर में.
I'm glad SJ you are saying is Sachin Joshi, not the other SJ.
चलो आएगा.
आप तो 5 से 6 विकेट की बात करते थे. चलिए फिलहाल 2 तो सचिन जोशी के नाम है.
I'm glad somewhere SJ is being mentioned to SJ. SJ to SJ. Very well done.
I'd like to share this with the viewers before match action got underway today. Sunil Joshi, it's so difficult to keep him away from the cricketing scheme of things. Oh, that was hitting outside leg, so no real challenge there. I'll come back and talk about it. Sunil Joshi, before the start of play today, had a cricket ball in his hand, and you can't refrain this man from rolling his arm over.
Raman, it's a diehard habit. It doesn't go just like that. You know, whenever we get a sneak peek, an opportunity, I would love to spin the ball.
And he can spin it on a flat surface. Cracker of a shot this, but has he cleared the outfield? Yes, he has. He's cleared the outfield. Another 6 for Shantanu. 34 sixes in the tournament.
Finally, we'll see the Rhinos dugout with some joy. Absolutely. That's a clean one from Shantanu. Picked up nicely. SJ, this time getting the maximum punishment.
To be fair, he did have a boundary rider at long on, but Shantanu took him on. Goes again. This is just going to be a single.